Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 8th root of x plus 12th root of x is equal to 150 to find the value of x to power of 1 over 24 minus 1 to power of 3. In the first step, we start by letting 24th root of x as u. So, from here, we raise both sides of the equation to power of 24 and it will be x is equal to u to power of 24. And in next step, we write this x in this equation. We substitute this x in this equation and it will be 8th root of x, and x is u to power of 24. And plus 12th root of x, and x is u to power of 24 is equal to 150. And it will be u, in here we can write this as u to power of 24 over 8 and plus u to power of 24 over 12 is equal to 150. And it will be u 24 over 8, it will be 3, u to power of 3 plus u to power of 24 over 12, it will be 2. And in here we have 150 and we take this to this side and it will be negative 150 is equal to 0. And in next step, write u cube plus u square and minus 150, and we can write this as negative 125 minus 25, right, is equal to 0. And in next step, we take this and this together, so we write u cube minus 125 and plus, and we take this and this together, and it will be u square minus 25 is equal to 0. And here we can write 125 as 5 to power of 3, right? So we write u cube minus 5 to power of 3 and plus u square minus 25, and we can write 25 as 5 to power of 2 is equal to 0. And here, this is in the form of a cube minus b cube, right? And it will be a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. And this is in the form of a square minus b square, and it will be a minus b times a plus b, right? So, from these two formula, we rewrite this equation and it will be, in here we have u cube minus 5 cube, and we can write this as a minus b, so u minus 5 times a square, it will be u square, plus ab, it will be 5 times u plus 5u, and plus b square, it will be 5 square, it will be 25, and plus this, and we write this in this form, and it will be a minus b, it will be u minus 5, and a plus b, it will be u plus 5 is equal to 0. And here, u minus 5 is common, so we factor u minus 5, and this divided by u minus 5, it will be u square plus 5u plus 25, and this divided by u minus 5, it will be u plus 5. u plus 5 is equal to 0, and it will be u minus 5 times u square plus 5u plus u, it will be 6u, and 25 plus 5, it will be 30 is equal to 0. And in here, we have two solutions for u. u minus 5 is equal to 0, or u square plus 6u plus 30 is equal to 0. In here, we take this negative 5 to this side, and it will be u is equal to 5. And here, we have a quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is u is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And a is coefficient of u square is 1, and b is coefficient of u is 6, and c is constant is 30. And it will be u is equal to negative b, negative 6 plus or minus square root of b square, it will be 6 square is 36, minus 4 times a is 1, and times c is 30, over 2a is 2. And it will be u is equal to negative 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 times 1 times 30, it will be 120, right? So 36 minus 120, it will be negative 84 over 2. And here, the discriminant is negative, is less than 0. So in here, we have no real solution, so we reject this answer. We continue by this u is equal to 5. And the next step, we recall x is equal to u to power of 24, right? So, right in here, x is equal to u to power of 24. And u is 5, so x is 5 to power of 24, right? And we want to find the value of x to power of 1 over 24 minus 1 to power of 3. So we write in here, we want to find the value of x to power of 1 over 24 minus 1 to power of 3. And in here, x is 5 to power of 24. So we write x as 5 to power of 24 and to power of 1 over 24 minus 1 to power of 3. So, in here, this 24 will cancel this, and it will be 5 to power of 1, right? So, we have 5 to power of 1, and 5 to power of 1 is 5, right? Minus 1 to power of 3. And it will be 5 minus 1 is 4 to power of 3, and 4 to power of 3, it will be 64. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.